Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are clicking on this channel for the first time, you are welcome. You are watching Salsa Sling, and please join this family by subscribing to this channel and like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you and God bless you. Let's get into the video. Back guys, so today I'm going to tell you guys the 6 best oil to use if you are in Nigeria. Yes, the 6 best oil to use if you are in Nigeria. And I'm going to tell you guys how to know an oil that doesn't have cholesterol in it, and how to check if an oil has a cholesterol and oil that is not good. So guys, I'm going to mention the names of the oil I have recommend for you guys. Yes, I have the list here, and I'm going to call out the oils and show you the pictures of the oil, so that when you go to the market you won't be confused, or you won't find it hard to identify the oil. So guys, my number 6 oil is active. My number 5 oil is leisure. Number 4 oil I have on the list is Italian sunflower. The next oil, lassi olive oil. My number 5 oil. Alright. My number 5 oil is Iberian olive oil. The last oil that I have on the list is Wisi oil, and it's a canola oil.